The growth looks strong this week.
Yeah, the irrigation is working perfectly. We should thin this section here.
Moisture levels look good on the sensor. Confirmed on the tablet, the distribution is perfect.
This row looks strong. Go ahead and thin those out.
Already on it. The growth here is excellent.
These look excellent.
Agreed. We are ready to begin the harvest.
All right, safety checks complete. Everything looks secure. You are good to go.
Truck 3 is arriving now. Clear bay 4.
Copy that. Opening the bay doors.
The carrot pieces enter a large blanching system filled with hot water. The vegetables remain inside for a short time to preserve their bright orange color and freshness. The chilled water quickly stops the cooking process and preserves the texture. The quality remains excellent.
Bin. Robotic palletizers stack the sealed cartons neatly onto wooden pallets. Stretch wrapping machines cover...
Did you confirm the temperature reading on that shipment?
Yes, Supervisor. It's stable at 34 degrees. We have updated the digital system.
All right, team, let's get this pallet secured.
Copy that. Moving it now. Make sure the paperwork is attached.
Refrigerated trucks driven by female African-American drivers travel across highways toward regionate distribution centers. GPS systems monitor every shipment in real time.
The carrots are very fresh and undamaged. Perfect condition. Excellent. Please sign here to confirm acceptance of the shipment.
Hispanic customers purchase fresh carrot packages for home cooking. Restaurant chefs buy larger quantities. Families prepare healthy meals using the processed carrots.